Hi all. Today we are going to see a simple typewriting effect in HTML and CSS project. So this effect, I'll reload the page. So first my name got printed and followed by web developer and UI designer. This is how the typewriting effect works. How we are going to do this from scratch. Let's get started. So here is our project file. So I have an HTML file and a CSS file with the basic CSS like margin, padding, box sizing, and basic CSS I have, and followed by I have set of images to be used in our project. So let's get started. So here first I'll create a div. Inside div first we will create a nav bar. So inside this nav bar we are going to include a image you can see an image logo. So I'm going to import it. So I'll give the class name as logo and followed by our menu items. So for that I'm giving I'll copy paste it. Here I'll include that menu bar, hamburger menu. Class will be menu icon. So we will see. Currently this is how our website looks, our logo and followed by menu items and the menu icon. And our header section got finished and followed by our content section. So for this I'll give text box. Finally I'll include the CSS for all. First so initially I'll give name and after that I'll show how to implement that typewriting effect. So I'm giving some paragraph also. I'll just copy paste this text. This is a piece of text. Now I'm going to give some button here for that contact me and download CV. So after completing this content section, I'll just import an image. So that's it. Actually, we have included a nav bar, so we will see. So here you can see the logo followed by our menu items, and then menu bar, the name, content and button, and followed by the image. Everything I have included. Now we need to apply the CSS for everything. So we will include all our CSS. First for this header class I am writing. First I am setting width as 100%, and then height will be 100 VH. I'm going to set the color as white, and then the background color will be and I will set the background as and I'll give the position as relative. Why? Because if we want to include the content at the top, at the time we can give absolute. So then I'll, for nav items, I will give display flex and with again 100%. Align items center. See, you can see the change. For logo, I am setting the width as 120 pixel, and the cursor will be pointer. And for same menu icon, I am setting the width as 35 pixel. And same cursor as pointer. For menu items, we will set flex as 1. So it will take the equal spacing for all. Flex 1 means. So text align will be right. And padding right will be 40 pixels. Now I will give the padding for the items. List style is none, and margin will be from top and bottom 10 pixels, and from right and left 30 pixels. See, you can see the change. Same for nav. We will for the link giving white color, and the text decoration will be none. And I'm giving letter spacing as 1 pixel, so it will take the equal spacing, and font size will be 17 pixels. So I'm applying the hover effect for this one. I'm just giving lime green. Next, for the text box, so now you can see when I hover this, the color changes. So next we will concentrate on this text box. Text box, I'll give the margin top as 10%, and the font size will be like 17 pixels, and same letter spacing 1 pixel. Line height 26 pixels. So inside this text box we have h1 tag and p tag. So inside this text box now I'm going to write for h1. For h1 the font size will be, I'm giving 75 pixels, and line height will be like 160 pixels. So inside this we have followed by link, this contact me and download CV button. I'll give class for this one. So why? Because we should have a different color for one button, so I'm giving class here. So I'll give margin top as 30 pixels, and then same text decoration will be none. So for the second button, so I am including the btn class here. The background will be lime green, the color will be black color. The final one is image. So user image. For this image I'll give the position as absolute. So I'll set the height and width for this one. 500 pixel height, and width will be for 40 pixels. Give bottom as 0 and from right 5%. So this is how it looks. Now we need to include the typewriting effect. For this typewriting effect, we need to include some default things. Like I have included this script tag and followed by inside script tag. So inside this script tag, we need to include something. Like first, we are going to so here we need to include some class name. So where we need to include this typewriting effect from there we need to include. Now I am including a span here. So inside this span the following text will be included. So for this I am giving class like auto input. So I'll give this class name here. So followed by here we will give the text, what are all the text should be printed here. So first string, so it will be like array of strings. So I'll give my name followed by I'll include one more thing. What all the text should be included? That should be included in double braces and followed by comma, like how many seconds it should be. So for that I'm giving 100 and then back speed will be and it should repeat again and again. So I'm giving loop as true. So we will check. I'm reloading the page. Okay, the span there should be strings. See, now you can see for the string I have given capital letters, so only the error has occurred. See, now you can see we can alter the speed also here. So now if I include 200 here, you can check the speed, like it is very slow. Now if I am giving here as 50 means type speed is 50 and back speed is 200 means you can change, you can see the change here. So I will reload it. While typing it will be very fast and while deleting it will be very slow. So you can see. So this is how we can adjust the typing speed also. Hope you all understand this typewriting effect, how we have included our menu bar and followed by the typewriting effect and button pictures, everything. If you have any doubts, please post on comment sections. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.